Man, what a beautiful looking RC. I really like this thing. This is the Hobao. I forget, what's it, the Hyper SSTE. I don't know, I can't keep track of all the names of everything. It's not written anywhere on it, but man, what a beautiful RC. And I got some parts to put on here. We're gonna go out and have some fun with this thing. That's the good stuff. Gotta have it. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have the Hobao, the Hyper S. Man, I just looked it up. I still forgot it, man. Hyper SS. That's right, the Hyper SS. So this thing has a bit of chassis flex. So I got this brace, beautiful carbon fiber brace. I guess there's some other accessories that go with it from LRC. I got this on eBay. So they sent me like a whole lot of parts. So if you're interested, it'll be on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description. So I've got a sticker here. Oh, is this an air freshener? Oh, let's check that out. Got a keychain. So, man, we got an air freshener for the shop. This is gonna be a first. This is gonna be a first. Is it? Oh, yeah, it is. Man, I don't know what you call that scent, but oh, this actually smells pretty good. That smells pretty good. Oh, the shop's gonna smell pretty now. It's gonna smell pretty. Oh. So I got a few things to do to this. We need to solder the proper EC5 connector on here because I don't run any of these XT90s. I'm gonna be putting a Dumbo receiver in here so that way I can just keep my life simple and just keep it down to just a couple of transmitters. I'm gonna put a fan on this motor, and then we're going to affix this chassis brace. So I'm not gonna bore you with all the work. Let me go ahead and get this put in, and I will check back with you. Check it out, what a thing of beauty. Went in really easy, not really any problems. Had to take one big bolt out here, and that takes the wing off, or that one bolt pretty much took the whole wing off. And then there's two bolts here that take this body piece off. There's a little like shim that's at an angle that goes in here, and then two green spacers that just bolts directly to the center diff piece. And then there's two big green spacers that go here in the front, and it gives you all the screws. There's also this additional plate that goes right here over the center diff, which I guess is for additional strength or something like that. So I opted to put the receiver up here on the top. Not that I will probably use a gyro on an off-road car like this, but the Dumbo radios have a gyro. And if I put it in here sideways, it doesn't really work that well. This is extremely tight. Their receiver, well, I guess it would be around the same size somewhat, but it's the whole overall size of this thing's way smaller, so the wires fit in there better. So I just opted to put it up there, and then I soldered on the an IC5. Not that it's actually intelligent because I don't have the third wire on there, but it is the IC5 connector. Because you know, you can ask that person named Guy what happens when you don't know how to solder and you're running adapters. Oh, I forgot too. I think I really need to thin up the shock oil on this. This thing is just really, really slow. But I think I'm going to save that for another day because they're calling for rain here in a couple of hours. And also rain for the next several days. So I need to get out there, shoot some content. I want to run this. I've only run it once since I bought it. So I'm going to go out there, see how it runs, and then we'll do some shock tuning possibly. After that, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, man, we got the center brace in there, and yeah, now it's feeling nice and rigid. That feels great. All right, guys, see you out there. Well, if you guys were wondering how I got into that mess, it's because I've been out here talking for like 2-3 minutes and just realized that I never started the camera recording. Luckily, I was looking at this little preview screen that I got, just checking stuff out, and I was like, wait a minute, it's not red. So let me try to repeat everything that I could think of. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it on the bench or not, but I tried to flex this chassis with this new center brace, man, and it is solid. I am so happy with that, because this chassis, there was really no excuse for it to be as kind of like flimsy as it was. I mean, I understand, so one respect, that it's not a basher. You know, it's not designed to go take big jumps and stuff like that, but people are going to. But you should still really make your chassis as kind of about as strong as possible. And then next, if you guys remember, if you watched my review video, I had a problem with the battery that I had would not fit in here. I think it was like a 7,000 mAh battery. So I did a little research, and now I got a 5,000 mAh battery from Z, a single 6S, and it fits in there nicely, really tight, so it is secure. It won't be going anywhere, but it fits in there. And you know, for some reason they got such a tiny little battery tray in this car, but is what it is. That's why sometimes you watch YouTubers like myself that have so many cars, and we have so many freaking batteries, because you know, you want the biggest battery you can get, right? You know, you want to get that run time, but then sometimes you run a situation like this where it doesn't work. Like, I had a ton of 4S batteries. When I got the 4S Creighton, that battery tray was really short, and it was another freaking 4S battery I had to go buy just for that car. Oh man, I really like this HPI, or HPI, I'm sorry, I'm the Hobao. I would say, if I put this up against the HPI, I feel the HPI's got a bit more power. It's just a little more brutal, but and it's a bit more nimble. But this one is kind of pretty much ready out of the box. At least the springs that came on it support the chassis. The poor HPI, there's no way the springs that came on that thing would ever support that car. Oh man, freaking this is awesome. Man, she is just running freaking great. This is trying to enjoy the hobby. That they said rain was coming. It was supposed to start, I think, by about now. And I got like a whole car of RCs that I'm trying to get done, because they said it's gonna be raining like all week. So I'm out here cooking. It's like 90 degrees. Oh my god, I got so many cars. My car is like literally packed full of cars. Normally I only come out here to do 2 or 3 videos. Like, I think actually like 2, because that's, my back's about the limit of me standing around doing this. But if I'm gonna have that much rain, I need some stuff to edit. So it's like, when I was in the garage, it was raining. I was kind of dodging the rain in and out, so that way it wasn't too crazy sounding when I was working on these cars. But hey, it finally got me in the shed there. Get all these cars freaking fixed and working again. Man, I don't know. When people complain about the pin tires, you know, like this would, you know, more for like a racetrack, but I don't know, man. I'm liking it. I don't think it's really any problem. Yeah, I'll tell you what, the HPI definitely has this on turning radius. That thing turns so fast. Ooh. Ooh, that was a little harsh. Oh, guys, I'm loving it. Woo! I've seen so many other videos. Look at this. the freaking gnats are out of control. There's been so much rain that like gnats and mosquitoes are freaking, you probably see them. You've probably actually seen them in the camera lens. This is like the only way to tolerate this stuff. Be out here like this. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. I mean, this thing is, man, it's a blast. I'm just gonna go out here, run out the battery. My problem is I should have brought the third battery. I should have 4 batteries for these Insta360s. I don't know where battery 4 is. 1, 2. Yeah, maybe I only got 3. I don't know. I should have brought the third one. But this is the third video I shot, and this battery is about to die. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up there, man. Man, check it out. Dude, this thing is so freaking cool looking. I love it, man. I freaking love it. All right, from a gnat infested Florida, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the support. I hate keep mentioning it, but like I said, links down below. If you shop AMAIN and Horizon, if you shop through my link, helps me out. If you shop Amazon, start at my store. You can buy one of these Insta360 cameras. I got these Dumbo radios listed in my Amazon store under RC. You can get dog food, cat food, whatever it is, you know, underwear. It helps me out. If you start at my store, I get a commission for taking you to Amazon. So I appreciate it. And I have links down below, have discount codes. CNHL batteries, I believe that code should be working. Save you some money on that. And I got some other stuff. We got t-shirts, cool things like that in my Teespring store. Greatly appreciate you doing that, helping me out. All right, everyone. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. We will see you next one.